There are 3 very simple steps to earn money online. First, grab and turn on your phone. Second, play and watch videos. Third, earn money starting today. See, it is really simple to make money online. As you can see here, these are all pages of real proof from people who make money from this site that I will tell you about. All these people did to earn money is to simply watch YouTube videos. No experience is needed and it is completely free. It is also available worldwide. In this video, I will tell you how to register on a special site. I will explain what videos will make the most amount of money and I will give you some bonus tip. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. The first thing you need to do is to go on gptplanet.com. It is an online website that allows you to earn money by completing various tasks including watching YouTube videos. Again, this is for you because everything is absolutely free and available worldwide. The site provides proof of payments to other people. You can see how much someone earns and the day they earn that amount of money. It is a very transparent website if you think about it. As you can see, the site also shows the country of origin of their users, so you can really verify that they work worldwide. Now, make sure to listen carefully and follow the instructions that I will tell you about. When you are already on the site's homepage, click the orange button here. It will allow you to register for a free account. It will redirect you to another page where you should fill out all the necessary information. Just include your full name, username, and a unique password. You just need to retype the password for confirmation and just input your date of birth. After that, include your email address. You will also need to put your payment account so you can receive your money. You can choose from their wide list of payment options. Now, once you're inside your account, you will verify it by typing whatever you see on the given image. You also need to agree to the terms and conditions. After that, just hit the register button. It is really simple to open an account, right? Once inside your account, you will see various companies where you can watch their videos. This will make you earn money online. These are some of the companies who are willing to pay you for watching videos like these ones. The first tip that I will give you is that you should focus on the scarlet clicks. This is what scarlet clicks look like. This will pay you the largest amount of money by simply watching a 30-second video. So, just go in and press this one. This site is really simple because all you need to do is to click one of these boxes. Whenever you click one, it will take you to a new video. All you need to do is to watch at least 30 seconds of the video. After you are done with the first video, just go in again and choose the next box. Watch the video presented for at least 30 seconds. Do this again and again for all the boxes present on the site and you will get paid over and over again. The second tip that I will give you is to simultaneously click all these boxes. Then, you will be able to watch at least 10 videos at the same time. You can do this on either your phone or your laptop. I will give you an example by clicking 3 boxes simultaneously. It will show you these 3 videos. Now, you can play these videos at the same time by clicking their play button. In order to lessen the noise pollution that it will cause, I mute the videos and let it play simultaneously. When I do this, I do not get stuck with watching the said videos. I still have time to chat with other people and do my own thing. After I'm done watching, I just tick another box and repeat the same process over and over to get paid again and again. You can also scroll down to their page to see that they refresh the pages every day. Every day, they change the videos that they show you, meaning you have endless opportunities to earn money over and over again. Now, I want to show you sample calculations on how much you can actually earn from clicking these boxes. You can see the total number of boxes in this picture, which is 560, meaning there are 560 videos that you can watch, which pays an average of $1 per video. The amount they pay varies, so for this video, we will assume that it is 50 cents per video. Now, try computing how much you will earn and you will get a $280 answer. Again, this is something that you can earn just by simply watching videos. It is easy to watch 500 videos a day with the help of the tip that I gave you. You can play it simultaneously for 30 seconds. After that, you can proceed to the next video. The surprises do not end there. I will give you another tip. Press the gear setting and you will see the playback speed. You can double it up so that the videos will play faster. It means that you can watch 30 seconds of the video for only 15 seconds. You can double your money within a really short time with this strategy. Another helpful tip that I can give you is to lower the video quality to 144p. This will allow you to save mobile data or allow you to continue watching even with a weak internet connection. It will make watching videos more efficient. Again, you can do this on your phone or laptop. You can also watch the videos at the same time. Now, the final secret that I want to share with you is that when you finish watching some YouTube videos, it will redirect you to a secret bonus page. Every time you click this button, you will make extra money because you actually finish watching the video. It is a trick that no one talks about. However, it exists and you can try it on to earn more money online. As you can see, when they press this button, they will earn some money. Now, try scrolling down. Some of it gives a little amount of money, but there are also some that will pay you up to $2. Now, the more videos that you watch will yield to a higher chance of entering this bonus page. This page will make you earn the most. Once you are done watching the videos on Scarlet Clicks, you can try to go and watch the videos of other companies too. However, they will pay you less than the amount that Scarlet Clicks will give you. This is exactly how a lot of people are earning money online. You can do this too by following the steps that I have told you about. This is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.